Oh yeah, YouTube, George here, and yeah, some semblance of normality has kind of returned here, and most of that stuff there is for the dump, and we're getting there, and we made a little kind of a gate thing there, overgrown baby gate, I suppose you'd call it, goes right across, and the roller door can be opened whether it's there or not, because I am not having another summer of the dogs coming in here and pissing all over the floor, because they don't get in here. That's the first thing they do when they do get in here. So I all made out of pallet wood and knocked it together in half an hour, and it just lifts off. It's secured there on a couple of pieces of box section, and there's an R-clip either side. You don't even have to take the clips out. The clips are just to locate it, and you just lift it off and you want to move it or whatever, so it sits on top of the little concrete thing I have behind the door here. And yeah, so it's grand. It's up off the ground, it won't get wet, and I will paint it with some of that fence paint, and it'll be lovely. So what else did we do? I ended up moving the regulator because I knew where I had it up here it wasn't going to work. So what I did was I made this little gadget here, just made out of some box section, and it's bolted to the desk, and I just drilled a hole just to have it snazzy looking, and that's all fine now. And the compressor is under the desk, as you know. So actually where it is there now is very handy, because it'll reach the entirety of the shed no matter where I am. So it's grand. You know, if you're using a nail gun or whatever, stuff like that. So yeah, it's cool. So quite pleased with it now, and putting a few bits and pieces up in my storage up here. All is working well, and I have my light up here. I just have a bit of a piece of cardboard in front of it at the moment, because I have to get some sort of a reflector thing or something, because it kind of cuts the eyes out of you when you're standing there. So I just did that for now. So yeah, cool. We've made a start on Mr. Ian's 148. Not going to show you anything yet, because I want to wait till I get a little further into it. So you can expect a video on that fairly soon. So yeah, happy days. We're getting there, making progress. So we'll get you in the next one, guys. And be good. This is George. All the best.